laptop. This is Acer A314-32. Yeah, it is coming from no power. Plug in the charger. Yeah. There is no light. Yeah. Charging light or yeah, charging light. It's supposed to be charging light here. Yeah, this one. I think. Yeah. No consumption current on the charger at the voltmeter. Plug in the push the power button, nothing happen. Eh? Okay. When we push the power button, it's nothing happen. Okay. Let's open the laptop now quickly. Okay. Hard drive. Okay. There is no RAM. Maybe this laptop use onboard RAM, the soldering RAM. Okay. Yeah. We open the backup hub. Okay. There is a bias battery. Let's plug out. Yeah, I took out the battery. Now we remove the maybe we remove the yeah the bias battery. Let's reset the bias. Yeah, let's reset the bias. And we plug in again. Nothing happen at the current method. Plug in and push the power button. So, yeah, nothing happened. Okay, I will take out the battery. Now first we check the sort. Yeah, maybe we check the sort first. We check the sort. Yeah. Okay. We check sort first at the main power rail. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. This one. This one. No. 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 The main power. The main power is okay. Okay. The coil. This one. This one. This one. This one. Okay. This one. This one. Okay. This one. Okay. This is the bias maybe. Yeah, the bias. This is ground. Yeah. The bias is okay. It is like water damage or not. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, now we have the voltage. We have the voltage up in the charger at the connector here. Right, sorry. Yeah, we have 19 here, here. Oh, there is no 19 here. Oh, what is here? No, we have no 19, but at the here we have 19. Where's the MOSFET? Oh, it is in the other side maybe. Yeah, the 19 is. Okay, we must took out the board, yeah, and then we check the board after we took out this, yeah. Wait. Okay, the board has been opened, yeah. This is the charger. This is the charging cable. We will check the voltage, yeah. Before we check, we know that at the charging cable, we have voltage, yeah, 19 volt. Here we have 19. Here we have 0. Okay. Here we have 19. Here we have 19. Sorry, we have no 19. Here we have 19. It is cross the, yeah. Okay, the second MOSFET 19. We have 19. How about the here? The source. Yeah. We have no voltage here, in the current sensor. Yeah, we have no voltage too. Uh, we have problem here at the input circuit. But before we we replace this MOSFET, maybe this MOSFET is faulty. We check if the main power rail short or not. Yeah. Okay. The current sensor, no. Yeah. I get the right ground. Yeah. The current sensor is not short. Maybe only this MOSFET is faulty. We will replace. Yeah. We will replace this MOSFET. Okay. This is 64 1 64 14A MOSFET. Maybe this is the in channel MOSFET. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Okay. We continue with this board. Yeah. I forgot to make a video. Yeah. But uh, I let me you know after I check the 19 knots, not past the second MOSFET, the second MOSFET. I check the gate is not apa? The gate is not present. Yeah. So I remove the MOSFET first. After I remove, I check the gate again, but still there is no voltage at the gate. But based on this condition, I make a decision to replace the Becky chip. Yeah, this Becky chip. Yeah, this one. Maybe you can see. Yeah, 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 yeah. This is this one. This Becky chip. Yeah, this one. This is Becky 24. Yeah, Becky 24 780S. Yeah, Becky 24780S. Yeah. Uh, Now the Becky is placed on. I replace. No, I have been replace. I had been replaced this, and now we try time we to test this laptop. Yeah, plug in the charger. Okay. Yeah, the charger is plugged in. Press the power button. See? Yeah, there is a blue light. Yeah. Okay. The blue light. The laptop coming on again. Yeah, we have picture. We have picture. So the problem of this laptop is the Becky chip. The Becky chip. Uh, Maybe I will stop the video. Uh, if you find the problem like this, maybe you can follow my treatment for this laptop. But you must be careful because not always Becky chip the problem. Maybe the MOSFET is the problem. So you must do step by step. Took out the MOSFET and check the gate of the MOSFET if there is 24 or 24 or 25 fault at the gate. It's mean if the voltage present 24 or 25, it's mean your MOSFET is dead. Okay, so I think enough. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this. See you in the next video. Bye.